In the last episode of Gato Rainbow and Gata, we saw them very interested in a cardboard box. And we saw that they were building something, remember? We still have to wait a few days to know what these guys have done with the box. But their last episode inspired me to make a craft recycling a box. This is not what they will do, but I'm sure they will love it too. Today we make a puppet theater. Learn with El Gato Rainbow and La Gata Moon. We will need a box, of course, fabric for the curtains, rope, liquid silicone, an X-Acto knife, and more fabric to cover the box. Start by cutting the box, leaving a little rim. And do the same on the other side. And now we already have the basic shape of our theater, with a piece of fabric that is a little bit bigger than the box, fold it in half, and make 2 small cuts up and down. Now join those cuts, and you'll have your fabric cut in half. Now glue them to the box with silicone. We're going to make 2 small holes on the sides where the rope that holds the curtains will go. Now glue the fabric to the sides too. That would make our curtains. But before putting them in place, let's measure our box to cut the other fabric to cover it. You can also paint your box, put some stickers, or decorate it however you want. Glue it. And don't forget the hole for the rope on the sides. Cut 2 equal pieces of rope and use them to hold the curtains. And our theater is ready! Do you like it? Gato Rainbow does! Now let's make these super cool puppets! We need popsicle sticks, tape, and these templates of Gato Rainbow and Gata Moon. We will leave them in the description box for you. The first thing is to make our puppets a little firmer, so you can laminate them or stick them to a cardboard or construction paper. I have laminated them so that they last a long time. Cut them and stick the popsicle stick with tape behind. And just like that, you already have new puppets for your theater! Although, you can also use the ones we made some time ago on our channel. Also recycling, remember? We hope you enjoyed our craft today! And don't miss next week's episode to find out what Gato Rainbow and Gata Moon have done with their box. Do you have any idea what it might be? Leave it in the comments. See you soon!